I've been throwing my clothes away. It ain't funny either, with your nasty ass.
Y'all better get that man clothes.
I ain't scared of damn motherfucker in here.
John, they got all your clothes are gone. You ain't got nothing to put on.
Yeah, this him done sold them.
Y'all got to get John his clothes now. They ain't got to go to work. What's she doing?
I don't know.
They look how your clothes on. Ain't nothing in here for you to get your shoes gone, everything.
Them her shoes.
No, your shoes gone. They took them. I seen them give them to a man this morning.
You can get your ass out of here too.
Yeah, you hear that?
And I can move you too.
You hear that?
Goddamn right. Fucking with my clothes, I'll shoot the shit out you.
I see ya. I told you John get mad about the clothes.
I'll shoot you about my clothes.
You see that?
Done been in prison for killing about my goddamn clothes. And I ain't scared to do it again.
You hear that?
Goddamn sure ain't. Yeah, one of them damn clothes you could ask for.
I ain't got to steal John and stuff.
Come here a minute.
Where your thing at?
What? They got it. They done stole everything. She wrote it anyway.
Well, where's your money at?
I didn't have none.
You did have something in there.
Wasn't nothing in there.
I put $100 in there last night.
100?
Yeah, I put 100 in there.
Well, she got it. She got it.
Well, I need that money back, baby.
Yeah.
John had $100. I need that $100 as well. She said she got
Yeah,
it.
been it. If I get my gun, goddammit, she wish she had it. And I ain't bullshitting either. I don't give a damn, cause we together all we were supposed to do together. No, you go your raggedy, roguish ass bitch stealing. I ain't scared to pull the trigger on now one of you motherfuckers. You wanted, you should have asked first. We out here. We supposed to do the together thing. Help one another.
That's right.
You a rogue. You look like a goddamn bitch ass rogue.
See that? I told you John be mad about the clothes.
I had to get on one day to get that boy that man right there some food.
What happened then?
She didn't want to take the man plate.
Well, what you gonna do? So you need the pants. You gotta go to work in a minute.
Hold on.
You do.
Go away where?
Judy done called you. So you gotta come and what you want to
Who
do?
called me?
Judy.
Julie.
Yeah.
Oh,
So what you gonna do?
I'm going.
You ain't got no clothes to put on.
I ain't got no dream.
No, I told you that stuff going there and take your stuff with me now. What you gonna wear to Judy?
I ain't got no pants.
Then took all your pants with me.
Who you talking about? You a roguish bitch, you know that? Can't nobody put on nothing. You get it.
It's all gone. Now I don't know what you gonna do.
Well, I got some pants in there.
No?
All my pants go.
All of them.
You better quit that. You gonna wind up in prison. And boy, you gonna see something you ain't never seen before.